Bitcoin big move is coming. We have really huge rise in open interest, nearly 1.5 billion worth of USD, and also you have quite significant liquidation areas. That's why at this moment it's super important to understand where we can take trades with what directions. First, and the most important stuff, we always should open the bigger time frame and understand what's going on at this moment. Globally, you can see Bitcoin at this moment in the middle of this significant value area. Why does this stuff matter for us? Because while price in the middle of significant value area, you must be really careful, because best opportunities always will be in the borders of value area. If you follow me long enough, you would remember when here I recommended to take long, and you can see how beautiful and powerful movement happened, because price at this moment in the middle, movement and size of that movement can be really small. That's why we must analyze it. Let's dive deeply into what's going on. First, we have this global value, which is here. You can see that price exactly in the middle. And also we have this local value where price built this significant open interest, and price, by the way, failed to break up. Because honestly, for a start, I thought that all of this open interest that started to increase here, it is only on Binance. Since middle of this range, open interest increased by 15,000 contracts, which quite a lot. On other top exchanges, if you analyze Binance and Bybit data, aggregated data, open interest increased by nearly 25,000 contracts. Why does this stuff matter? It means someone built it quite significant position. If you multiply average price by this, it's approximately 1.5 billion worth of USD. And why I show all of this stuff for you? Because honestly, for a start, I thought that this open interest, they would push it up. And here, with our community here, we took beautiful long trade. And I thought that that would be break up and quite significant liquidation at high. It was exactly here when we took long positions at 69,340, and what BTC after that did, I thought that would be quite significant breakup. You can see my trade, I took long, and why I closed that long here, because you can see on this picture, open interest started adding really rapidly into breakup, but price failed, and this first significant volume that push it down. Honestly, it's a signal that structure were broken, and that potentially there could be reversal of a market. And when I saw squeezing down, I closed it. Sadly, that at that moment I didn't decide to reverse into a short. Maybe it was one of the best plays. That's why you can see that attempts to break up the rise of open interest failed. And I know that quite a lot of people show to you this liquidation heat map, where they show to you that biggest liquidation is at high, and we definitely need to take long. But that's example for you. If you saw my heat map tutorial, I will add it to you in description and the cards. That heat map without patterns worthless. There must be significant patterns, because I saw many times how market makers said limit orders before liquidation heat map. Retails took trades and price went exactly opposite. Don't be. You need to understand that in a trading, the most important is a money flow. Someone must pay for that move. That's why, based on this, that all of these breakups failed, what we can do the next. Before I tell you, I invite you to join our public Telegram, where we share Bitcoin updates, free lessons, articles, news that will help you understand better market and make money on crypto market. Link will be in description. That's how it looks. Example for you, our Telegram channel. Updates, useful lessons, Bitcoin updates. Sometimes I record it on TradingView because it take way less time. Honestly, right now, I do nothing. What exactly at this particular moment? Why? Because on Friday, I tried to take breakout from value. You can see it was exactly this one when price was at 66,500 approximately. Price reached to this important key area nearly third time. And what happened here? a significant rise of open interest. Honestly, I like to trade breakout from value with rise of open interest, because if that breakout would be real, that would be impulse. And there was only 2% impulse. Honestly, I thought it would be bigger, because I thought there would be some quite significant liquidations. That's why, once more, here it was my short that I tried to take here for breakout from value. And honestly, my goal was to take this level, because in normal cases, when they create some value, and you see that value breaks with rise of open interest, like it was here, they quite often can create quite significant move. That's why at this moment I have the most important question: will they break down this value or not? And what I personally would do at this moment, if Bitcoin would create some range at this moment and start squeezing down with rise of open interest, as it was, for example, here, but in too long. Let me show to you that examples in too long only. Or even this example, if Bitcoin break up above value and start rapidly increase open interest with rise of volume, for me, that would be a signal for breakout. If that happens, only in that case, I would consider taking long. Or there would be something like this. They try to break, failed, they create a range. And here, example for you, like on this one, if again they squeeze with rise of open interest and volume increase, only in that case, I would consider taking breakout from value. Because for me, it would be obvious that we have really aggressive market maker that would like to push down, that trapped a lot of buyers here with rise of open interest. In that case, for me, it would be obvious. Also, in other cases, how I also can take a short, if price break out from this local value. Let me show it to you again. If price breaks out from this beautiful local value and close out, retest to value area low, it would be also best places for taking short. That's my plans for short at this moment, my friends. In what cases I would consider taking long? First, in a case if I would understand that all of this stuff for short failed to deliver. If I understand that some short sellers get trapped. Example for you, if price at this moment would do something like this, price takes this important key level and after that immediately come back into value and close above value. This stuff would be for me a signal, especially if this high close above this one. That stuff would be for me a signal that all of this drop failed. It was only simple a trap, especially if they would take this level with drop of open interest. For me, it would be a signal that all of this stuff trapped, and we can take long entry with a target to take higher high. But there must be structure change. And only in that case, it would be possible for BTC to go up and take this liquidation. Because why you should understand that liquidation, it's not a super easy stuff, because too many people started watching on liquidation heat maps. And when a lot of people analyze them, market often use them to trick people and go oppositely. That's why you need to know how to use it with cold mind. And if that happens, once more, if that happens, I would like to take long. That's why summary for you. At this moment, I have no trade. At this moment, I analyze will be the breakout from value or not. If they break out close here, I would be really bearish, and at pullback to value area low, I would take short. In a case, if they create a range for 1-2 day, and they would be squeezing down with rise of open interest, also I would be bearish. Only some local stop loss hunt and price come back into value would be a signal for me to take long trades. At this moment, my friends, I ask you to push like and watch a full lesson about heat map tutorial, how to use it, because I shared with you how I personally use it, in what cases it would be useful for you, in what cases not. Happy to see you. Bye.